Good to go.
You're good to go.
Yeah.
Let's see. John, can you imitate a tractor trailer?
Tell me about your day, John. Oh my god.
Damn it, we're so telling when you need them.
Shh. Oh my god.
God. I mean, I snore too, but I always make sure that I'm off of this.
No, oh my god.
Imagine.
Hold on, wait, biplane impression. Go.
Oh my god. So, how was that party last night, John?
Oh, it was a snore? Alright, I feel
Oh,
you.
yeah. Oh,
Little
man.
snooze fest, right?
Yeah. You excited about standard, John? Pretty elated.
I can't believe I played against that fuck twice.
Oh my god. It's so loud, dude. This is... Holy shit.
You know what? We're gonna, because we're bored and don't really feel like playing WoW yet, I'm gonna just buy into the sealed league. I can't play WoW with that.
You gonna get that lawnmower started anytime soon, John? Doesn't seem like it.
He's working on it, D. He's working on it. D, I love John.
Whew.
Jesus.
You hungry, John? Wow. God damn. It's gonna wake up the neighbors at this point. Yeah, me too, John. So, what's your favorite class in WoW? Jesus Christ, McNally.
You did.
I'm having fun.